My lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel Modish Style. First of all, thanks all of you to visiting my channel, and I hope so you will be fine. Firstly, I humble request all of you, if you are new in here, then please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos, because I need your love and also need your support. So please supporting me. Now start my video. Let's see what for have today. Actually, today I will share with you most beautiful, unique and decent A-line Maxi design. Some are printed, some are polka dot, and some are A-line, and some are flower print, and many more ideas in this video. So I will tell you about that. A-line maxi dresses, timeless, effortless, and elegant. Maxi dresses are a staple in every woman wardrobe. These are versatile, comfortable, and perfect for any occasion. And when it comes to maxi dresses, the A-line style is a timeless choice that never goes out of style. And not only are A-line maxi dresses flattering, but they are also incredible effortless. You can throw on an A-line maxi dress and instantly look put together. Whether you are running errands, attending a wedding, or just long going at home, an A-line maxi dress is the perfect choice for comfortable and comfy style and also stylish outfit. And addition to being effortless, A-line maxi dresses are also elegant. The long hemline creates looks, and the A-line cut adds to touch of femininity. Whether you dress it up with heels or keep it casual with sandals, an A-line maxi dress is a timeless piece that will always make you feel confident and look beautiful, and also improve your personality. So another great thing about A-line maxi dresses is that they are versatile. They come in a variety of prints, patterns, and fabrics, making it easy to find and perfect dress for any occasion. From floral to solids, lightweight cotton to luxury silk, there is an A-line maxi dress for every taste and style. In conclusion, A-line maxi dresses are must-have for every woman's wardrobe. They are timeless, effortless, elegant, and versatile, making that the perfect choice for any occasion. And A-line maxi dresses are characterized by flattering. The dress flares out from the waist to the hem, giving the illusions of an hourglass figures. The A-line cut is universally flattering, making it an excellent choice for women of all shape and size. So I think this video is helpful for you and you also enjoy this. If it is, then please subscribe my channel, like and share my video, because I need your love and also need your support. So please support me. Now thanks, always be happy, take care.